Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 64th day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today I'm going to ask you a question and then I will give the answer. But first I'm going to ask you, the question is that what is the main hurdle for starting a challenge, for starting the spoken journey? Okay, so now I'm going to reply of this question. So the answer is, the main hurdle is the fear of making mistakes, because we all have fear that we will make mistakes, and because of this fear we can't able to start our journey. Like if I talk about me, when I started my journey, you can see on the video first day of me, and I made so many mistakes in that video. The way I was speaking, the way I was lacking in between the video, I stuck in between the video. But the main thing, I didn't stop myself. I continued, because I took resolution on that day, and that's why I continued. So and even I told you so many times, like if I could not get my mistakes, then how could I work on my mistakes without knowing my mistakes? First I will have to find out my mistakes, then am I able to get all the solutions of these. Otherwise there is nothing matter for me. And the main thing is that here, I mean see, like if I as I told you that I had thoughts to stop my challenge in between, and what if I stopped at that time? I didn't get my mistakes, because if I stop and sit and I close my channel and challenge also, then how could I get my mistakes? And I'm not able to find all the solution, I'm not able to find my mistakes. And now as I'm improving day by day, I got lots of positive comments that I'm improving. So it is a good thing, and I also feel, because I'm enjoying this challenge. And there is a quote I read: if you are trying, okay, if you are trying, so you can get your mistakes, and if you are able to get your mistakes, then you are on the right track, and you are able to change your track. This is not about to this is not about to speak English. It is, we can apply it anywhere. Yes, before trying, before getting mistakes, how can how can I say that I am weak in this particular thing? First I will have to know about this thing, and okay, from which on which part I'm weak and on which part I am strong. And the main thing is that mistakes are the evidence of that you are trying. Yes, and that's why I'm saying, while I was writing my diary, at that time I was like when I had lots of negative thoughts in between the my challenge in the starting, then I was like, I should have stopped this challenge, because I had lots of fear of making mistakes, and the way I was speaking, and in the starting, because I think it is my fifth or sixth day. On my fifth or sixth day, I was starting feeling fearing, or like, very low. And at that time I was like, I think this is the day and I should have stopped. But my brother came and he made me understand, the way you started this challenge, it is commendable, and no one has courage to start this thing, but you did. You showed your courage. So please don't stop it. And if you are feeling afraid, if you had fear, then you can make it in an easy way. You can uh, you can make videos for a short time. Like you can reduce your duration of your video. So that at that time I was like, yes, I mean, even like before taking this challenge, I tried lots of time to start this challenge, but I couldn't. And I mean, this is my it is like that. It is my golden opportunity that I started this challenge, and how could I stop it? And of course, as I like so many times I told you in my videos that like if I couldn't get my mistake, then how could I work on them? And it is like there is a quote also, like human is a statue of mistakes, and without knowing our mistakes, how can we change? How can we improve in us? So I mean, that's why I thought that I should take this I should take this topic for today, and I took. And I'm very happy that I'm talking about this, because I'm literally, like while making videos for my challenge, I'm literally feeling very happy and very charming. It gives me happiness. So that's why I'm saying, like, don't feel fear. Just started. Don't feel fear that you make mistakes. Then it's okay. If you make mistake, then you can work on them. This is the only way. Find the mistakes and work on them. Then from the next time, you do not make mistake. Okay, thank you so much. If you think that my efforts will make you will give you that path, and my efforts will help you to start your journey, so please bear with me, stay tuned with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.